Ngesikhathi uMaimane efika eSoweto, ufice ekucishwe ugesi ngaphandle kwesibhedlela iChris Hani Baragwanath. Ubelapha njengengxenye yomkhankaso wakhe ophikisana nokucisha konga ugesi endaweni ezisetshenziselwa izidingo zomphakathi.
Health is a right that is enshrined, that calls on any government to say you must provide health for your citizens. But the rights of this country in the Constitution aren't just limited to health. They are also provided for in safety. They are provided for in education. It's provided for in the right to life. But none of us can help the fact that when there's load shedding, those rights disappear.
Maimane uthi lento eyenziwa uhulumeni iwenza ukuthi ube yisitha somphakathi.
None of us ever thought we would live under a government that when it is compelled by the courts to provide electricity, it says, hey, we are going to fight against this court ruling. In essence, you are not fighting against the court, you are fighting against the people of this country.
Izakhamuzi zaseSoweto ziphawule kanje ngalomkhankaso.
Hey, you know what? We feel like the government doesn't care about its own people. Because you know how many children are dying. Banababaling in the incubators when the electricity goes off.
So siyacela ukuthi ugovernment azame impilo enye engcono ngoba bonke labantu bazoshona and then sizoyithatha phi imali ukuthi singcwaba abantu.